Hello and welcome back to HWM Sports Cars. Today I'm here to walk you around this lovely bit of new stock we've just taken on. This is a 2019 Jag F-Type 5-litre V8. This one comes to us with 3 previous owners and just a tad over 23,000 miles. So let's take a walk around together and check out the condition. So this F-Type is finished in Santorini black, which really suits the car, and under the bonnet here you'll find the mighty 5-litre V8 that puts out 542 brake horsepower and 681 newton meters of torque. This will launch this thing from 0 to 62 miles an hour in just 3.9 seconds. At the front you'll find the Jaguar LED lights, which are a really cool feature to have and really modernise the car. You also do get a plethora of parking sensors to really help park this long nose car. And again, the condition is presented really well with very few minor stone chips on the front edge, but apart from that, it presents really nicely. And to match up with the lovely Santorini black paint, this one has been finished with black alloys as well. And these are wrapped on the Pirelli P0 tyres and they're 20 front and 20 rear. You'll also find some more Jaguar badging in the wing. The side skirt is in gloss black, which matches up with the car really nicely, and the wing mirrors are painted in body colour as well. You do get presenting door handles, which is a really cool feature to have, and again, condition-wise, there's no sort of dings, dents, or any sort of damage. So at the rear of the F-Type, you'll find the lovely spoiler finished again in black with the privacy glass. It does make for a really nice look throughout. Some more F-Type badging as well on the back boot lid, and the most notable feature is the quad tailpipes, which does sound phenomenal paired up with the 5-litre V8. We'll give you a sound clip here. So on the inside of the F-Type, you'll find this lovely fixed pan roof, which does really help with bringing light into this really dark cabin. You'll find black leather throughout the dashboard and also onto these heated seats, which are also in a bucket format with the black seat belts. You also find on the center console the switchable drive modes with the valve control as well, which does really open up that 5-litre V8. And again, condition-wise, it's reflected really well throughout with how much leather there is. It's all in really good condition, especially for the steering wheel. And that brings us to the end of the video walk around on this stunning Santorini black F-Type. If you want to find out anything more about the specification or the service history this car has, please do so by giving us a call on 01932 240 611 or visit the link down to the website down in the description below.